What's up, guys? I'm Vincent.
And I'm Vanessa.
Today we're in charge of dinner and we will be making
Potato pancakes,
AKA DERUNY.
This recipe is so easy to make.
And if you've never tried potato pancakes, it's a must. The main ingredient is potatoes.
So let's get peeling, but first, safety gloves.
Put the potato in cold water so it doesn't turn brown.
And now for the hardest part.
The onion. You cut it.
No, you cut it.
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 Mom! I peeled it, you cut it.
Okay.
Basketball!
Yeah, basketball.
That was cool. I'm unstoppable.
Garlic powder.
Salt.
And pepper. Flour.
The other deruny are still frying.
But we're doing the taste test.
These are so good. It's time to end the video. Let's go eat.
Yeah.
Remember how you were supposed to do the thumbs up and then you went like this? That was so funny. Subscribe to our channel and we'll see you next Saturday.
Bye-bye.